Hello, sir. So I will be using this video to demonstrate how to post on your forum as an admin. Also explain some things on how the posting works, both for an admin or an ordinary member. Okay, so now the first thing to do is to go to the website, irrespective of where you are accessing it from. You have to go to the website first. And how do you access the website? You go to your Chrome browser or any browser that you feel you are okay with. Okay, so now you go to Chrome browser and go to scienceandtechconnect.com, right? So if you go to scienceandtech.com, which is your website, you the reason why sometimes you might see something like this, the connection to this to the connection to science and blah 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 is not secure, is because why you type the something here, you did not put HTTPS. Let's put HTTPS. HTTPS now. Science and tech.connect. You see that it will not bring this message it brought. Can you see it brought us, it took us to the website directly. So now, but look at it. You will know as we access this website now, we'll not be able to do anything other than to to um to just view. So we have to log in either as a member or as a what? As an admin. So and there's two ways to log in as an admin. So that you go to scienceandtechconnect.com and go to forum. You come to forum and you click on login, right? Or you go to scienceandtechconnect.com, right? /WP hyphen admin. Then you log in here, or you log in through this method. I want to show you this method here. So you click on this. In case you did not see what I did clearly. If this was the first method I showed you now, right? The second method is to go to the website .com /WP hyphen admin, then enter, then click on login with username and password. Then you input your. So I want to log in as Dr. Alaladi now, right? I want to log in as Dr. Alaladi now. So I put your password and your what's it called, your email, your username and password. So I will log in now. So either that way or this way, you have gotten access to your dashboard. Okay. So now, how do you now post to your forum, right? How do you post forum? How do you post to your forum? How do you post text? How do you post video? How do you post PDF? How do you post image? All sort of content that we have. How do you post them? So that is what I want to show you now. So first of all, if you want to view the website as an admin here, you go to this place and then you click on this, then you click on forum. So one funny thing is the fact that you have logged in. If you've logged in, right? Despite the fact that you have logged in, it might still, in some cases it might still require that you log in here, right? And when you do that, you click on login, then you type the password, the same thing that you use to log in the other time is what you are using to log in now, right? So you have now gotten access to the forum. Okay, you have gotten access to the forum now. When you are, since you have gotten access to the forum, you will see something like my profile and log out. Okay, so that indicates that you have gotten access to the forum. So the first thing now you want to do is to uh, create a post. Okay, let's go to science. Look at the forums that we have, right? We have different forums: science matter, training, workshop, and seminars. I've posted some content previously on your behalf, right? Look at the content I posted. Look at the content I posted. So I've written some other content that I want to use as a case study to show you how to how to post content. So now let's go back to the forum, to the general page of the forum. So and we have different sub forums, right? You have science matters, we have training, workshop. Let's go to this science matter. Let's see Look at it. This there is here there was no content here before. There was no content here. It was just only this topic that was there. And this topic that was there. So it's this afternoon that I added this content. It's this afternoon that I added this content, right? One beauty of this thing is the fact that the person that I use different accounts to post this content. I post only the I post. I just it was just to demonstrate how to post. Then I did not put a full content here. Despite the fact that I use a different account, Science and Tech One is the name of the account username. The username I created to access to set up the whole something is what I used to post. Despite the fact that I use that, and I'm using Dr. Lalade's account now to access it. The fact that I'm also admin, I gave the same authority that this account have is what I gave to this Mr. Lalade's Dr. Lalade's account. So and with that, I was able to edit what this account created, right? I was able to edit this account created, and I was able to add content to it. Can you see? So now let's say I want to add this content freshly now, right? Let's say I want to add this content freshly. What I would have just done is I'll just go to uh, the forum, right? Then I will now click on add topic. And when I click on add topic, it now give me this. It will say I should add title. It say I should put the content I want to post. But in the case of this, I will not be. Or let me just quickly. Okay, let me use what I've posted already to show you because I've already posted a content and I did not have a special or separate article that I can use to separate to demonstrate now. So I will use the previous content because of course I'll show you how to add the topic. And how do you add topic? You go to the forum, right? Go to the forum. Let's look at the general page of the forum. Select the forum in which you want to post a topic, right? You click on the forum. After clicking on the forum, so we now we can now come here and add topic, right? We will not be adding topic now because if you click on add topic, it will tell us to add title of topic we want to add. We want to it will tell us to add the title, then the content of the uh, article or post that we want to add. So now we now click on this that we have already created already. So we edit it. So if you are posting a new content, you just click on add topic, then you will be given this section. You'll be given this section. So this section, let's edit this. Let's edit this. Right now, look at it. You'll be given this section how to start. So the topic of the content I'm writing here is a comprehensive guide on how launching your engineering career. Okay, in normal this thing, I think this kind of content should should be under tech and engineering, but it doesn't matter. Don't worry. The topic has been there, and about 230 people have viewed it already. So there's no point in moving to. Instead, you just want to move it. You can actually move it, but let's now focus on that. For now, let's just focus on the techniques in writing in putting the content out there. So now we have added the topic, right? How to start an engineering and then the content, I'll put the content here. If I want to, just like the way, if you know how to make use of Microsoft Word or anything is that offers text editing, then you'll be able to make use of this. So if you want to bolding this one now, you just highlight it. You just highlight it and click on bold. If you want to make it italic, you click on this. If you want to make it underline, you click on this. Okay. If you want to change the color, you click on this. You select the color. You want to change the arrangement, you want to make it at the center, you click on this. If you want it to be indented to the right hand side, and if it's left hand side that you choose on it. If you want to justify the content, right? Want to justify the content, you just click on this. Allow what you want to justify, then you click on them. If you want to return it back to where it was, just click on Ctrl Z on your PC, okay? So now when you are now done with arranging your content, then you want to now click on save. Now, for in case of if you want to, let's say you want to add an image, just click on choose file. If it's image you want to add, if it's PDF, if it's video, but I will advise that you don't make use of you do not just upload videos or something that has heavy size, okay? Because this way, this hosting, the hosting you are using for this website, it has the limit it can go. Immediately it's full, your website will not be functioning very well anymore. So except if you be paying more to extend the bandwidth and the storage of your hosting. So you should be very careful what you be uploading. Anything that is very light, anything that is even up to, let's say, 500 5 MB, you should be anything that is even up to 1 MB, you should be worried of uploading it. You want to save as much as possible um, you know space. It is a forum, it doesn't have to be where you scatter videos and all that. But don't worry, I'll show you how to in feature videos without having to upload it. Video on another platform like YouTube, you can feature it here that people can start watching it, and it will not be even as affect the size. It will not consume any of your disk, the memory storage of your hosting. Okay, so now that is that about simply creating a post. Now let me go and add another post to another forum. Let's save this. Let's save this. So when you are done with posting, look at what I did. I position you as though you are the person who wrote this under this username. Okay. So the other ones I think I've written using this particular account where it feature your name directly. So now let's go back to the I've gone back to the let's go back to the forum. Now look at the forum. Now let's go to training workshop. I think I've written a content on this for this and a content that you can use as an example. So I've clicked on the forum, training workshop and seminar so on and so forth. So I want to add a topic. Now I want to add the content. So what I will do is I'll click on add topic, then I will click on topic. So let me go to the content I've written for this. So this topic, this thing I read. I said unlocking free workshop for your technology, engineering, your science career. So let me copy the topic now and drop it there. Then let me now the body of content. I will now come here and add the body of content. Add the body of content. So I've pasted and clicked it. I've clicked and pasted. I've copied and pasted it. So now I want to let me bolding this all these subtopics. Let me bolding them. Let me bolding them. Let me post the video. I'm bolding them. Then I'll bolding everything now. And I'm gonna say can I put my you can put your name here. Your name is if you use I use Alalade. Do it as your name. Then put the title here. So you can now add you now click on add topic. That is where it will now save, right? Let's now click on add topic. So it has successfully been added. So now you might not want every to be jumper together. You can edit and use enough spacing. Depends on how you want. If you like the layout like this, you can leave it like if you don't want it like this, you can come back and edit it. If you want to edit it, you just come back, right? Let's make I want to simplify this thing so that you're not confused. So let's go back to the let's suppose you are just visiting this forum again and look at the topic you just added, right? Now I want to edit it. So I just click on it. Then I'll come down, then I'll click on edit, right? I click on edit. Look at it. I've clicked on edit. Can I edit? Let's say I do not want everything to be packed together. Let's say you see, look at the opening. Hello, fellow enthusiasts. Are you looking for blah 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 blah? Blah. I can drop this one here to another line. That me, I'm a copywriter, so I like writing such a way that people will very find it very easy to read. So can you see? So me, I'm a digital marketer. So my own orientation about writing is different from conventional writing or academic writing. Even though I also write academic content. So you can just so I can decide to say I want to put enough spacing between each point. So I can put enough spacing. So I can say I do not like how this everything is packed together here. In your own case, you might like it like that, but I just want everything to be very 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 easy. I want everything to be very easy for my readers. So your case might just be like that. So we'll not be dwelling much on this. So by now, I believe you have known how to write text, right? So if say you want to include, let's say, a picture at the middle of this now, just come here, just put your this thing, your cursor at where you want to upload the picture. Then you just scroll down. Then you choose, click on this, choose file. Then let's say this is the file you want to choose. Then you select the file, right? Then let it upload. So you have added the file. Look at the name of the file, right? The name of the file. So the file will now act as an attachment. This is a forum post. If you want to write a kind of post that allows you to do anyhow you like, right? That would be a blog post. But this is a forum post. So if it were to be a what's it called? A blog post, that image now will be showing here. But the fact that it's not showing here does not mean people who are reading this thing cannot access it. You just tell them that the attachment in this post. Let me show you what I'm trying to say. Let's publish this article. Now, in the case of, let's say, let's use PDF as a case study. Let's use PDF as a case study. Let's say you now put PS. Find so documents on how to do so below, right? Now, let's now say you have now selected, you now choose on this, you now select choose, then you select the PDF you want to add. Right? Let's say this my CV is what I want to use as a the attachment. Okay, the attached file. Now let's save it. Now look at it now. Can you see? This is the link to that PDF. That person can now download the PDF. And if you are to be pictured too, this is how you. But if you just want to, yeah, you want to, you want the picture to feature. You might not have control over. Although I'll show you how to embed a video, what's it called, a video. But in case of photo, you add it as an attachment if you want people uh, to make use of a particular. If you want to use it to, you want people to access a particular image, right? You add this as an attachment. Okay. So now let's say you now want to add a video. Let's say you were watching a video that is related to what you are posting here, or you made a point here. You now want to use a video to buttress your point more. You can say, okay, access so video. You can type access video that will explain this further, right? Access video here, right? You can now, let's say this is the video on YouTube. There's the video on YouTube. You can just choose a video on YouTube. There's a video on YouTube. What's the point we are making here? Let me look at it. Let me use this online platforms, right? Let's say I said online YouTube. Let me go to YouTube. I can now start YouTube and said online online learning, learning, learning platform. Look at it. Top five. Look at this video now. It could be related to what that point is referring to. And now select this video now. Then two ways you can make your audience benefit from this video.
If you want to study something new,
So now let's look at it. The first step is to copy the link. The first way to make this video feature on that post so that your readers can benefit from it is to copy the link. Then you can now embed, you can highlight something like this and say you click on insert link. Then you paste the link here and do like this. Look at it. People will now be able, when they click on this, then they will to lead them to that video. That's the first step. The second step is you can just embed it. The video will show that like it will show. And then what you just do is you will click on enter. You click on enter on your keyboard. Then you now come to source code, right? You click on enter. Then you now click on source code. Then go to that video. Say embed. You copy this code. Then you come back here. Here's it. I've mistakenly deleted what I'm doing now. I mistakenly deleted what I was posting. Right, look at me. So let me delete it. Let me edit it and get back to what we're doing. So edit. So now, first of all, I added this one and put the link. That's the first method. To it might be a picture too that you want to feature. Just go and copy the link to that video, to that picture, and say, let's say, online platforms. I'm just using this. Let's say you have a video, an image that kind of that kind of explain what you are trying to say, or that will portray, or that will help your this thing. You can just come to the picture and click on a copy link address. Click on right click and copy link address. Then you come to your this thing. Then you highlight where you want you want people to click on. Then you click on insert link. Then you do this. You paste it here. Then you paste the link you copied to this box URL, then you click on OK. Can you see? Now let's say you want to embed that video. You want to that video I showed you the other time. This video. You now copy this link. Come to share, right? Click on embed. Then select this. Then come back to this. Then click on source code. Then highlight all this. Paste. Then can you see? Can you see? Now under this now, let me let me deleting this source code now, right? Deleting this source code now mean that we have deleted all the content we have here. So we want to look at the position where we want to. So you know we were talking about it was under online platform, right? We want to post the we want the video to be here, right? Under this column online platform. I think this is even the point number one. Don't mind me. Online, this is one. So now under point number one, you will now come, you now click on you click here, then you click on source code. Now let's look at online platform. Online this online platform, right? Online platform. Then let me go back to source code. But this is point number three. Where's point number one? We are looking for point number one. All this one, if you find it technical, don't worry, just put the link to that video. But I just want I want to show you how it can feature. You can feature it. How you can feature, you can embed. Look at this point number two, courseware, right? Now you're looking for point number one. This is point number one, right? Online platform, right? So before point number two, which is this one, this place, right? That is where we want to post the source code, right? Look at the code for that video, right? That's between 1 and 2. Can you see? Can the video has not featured. Can you see? People cannot play the video.
If you want to study something new,
post. Can you see? So I want you to learn something from here that you can actually embed the video. So now, if I think I've shown you how to integrate photo, how to post content, how to embed video, or share the link of the video, right? The same method. If you want to share the link of something, just go and copy the link of that video or link of that image or another article somewhere, right, on the internet. You can just go and copy the link to that article. Then you come to where you want people to click on to access the article. Maybe you are just explaining something and you want to want to use an article, an image, a video, or a PDF or something, a material to buttress the point more. You just click on this. You click on where you want people to click on. Then you click on exactly. Then you paste the link to that material here. Then you click on enter. Then it will be clickable. It will come clickable like this one, the one that I selected blue. Okay, so we'll continue with this. We'll use this. Can you see? So now I want to delete this because we are not making use of it. Let's say it's an article or it's a PDF on what we are discussing related to what you can just add PS. Learn more from you. Find the attached document below to learn more about accessing or getting free workshop for your engineering, technology, or science career. Okay, which is the topic we are discussing. Okay, so now we can now save. By now, I believe you do not have any problem with adding content. Now, the next thing we want to do is how to add reply. Anybody can add reply. Let's say you as somebody want to add reply, right? Or any other person want to add reply. What they will just do is go to the forum, right? Of course, they go to the forum, they select the topic they want to reply to. I think okay. Let's say you as somebody want to add reply to the content you created. Click on the content itself. Then you now come here. Look at it. Can you see leave your reply? Just put it. Don't leave this topic. Leave this as this. Then come here. I can say ask any question. That's it. Let's say you it's you that posted and you are still telling people, or one of your colleagues posted and you are telling people, you are adding reply to the content and telling people that they can ask your questions, ask your questions, ask questions and make them simple to understand, and we would surely reply you ASAP, as soon as possible. Okay, then add reply. This is the same way anybody want to add reply. Look at the reply now. Ask question and next. Can you see the reply? If it's somebody that actually posts this content, some people will be using this platform to spam your content. It can be they can start promoting their products under your content. You can unapprove it because you are an admin. If you access the content from a backend, just like we are looking at it now, and this is somebody this is somebody's reply to your this thing, and you see that people are adding a link to their content, to their products, you can just unapprove it. And you can even edit it. You can delete the content. So that is the only I don't let me say autonomy that you have over uh, other people's content as the admin of the forum, as an admin of the forum. You can have as many as possible admin, but you shouldn't make it too much. Okay, so that is that about adding reply. So this is the same method other people will be using. If say somebody want to reply to this response, that person will click on reply to. So that person is now replying to what to this response, right? If it's this particular, but on normal ground, without you having to click on say you want to reply to one particular content, you want to reply to a particular content, just like the same way, just like the way I click on this response. By default, anything reply you see under this is what I'm trying to say. Let me not use mouth. Let me use demonstration. Let's say, look at it. Let's click on this, right? Then we want to reply to this. You will not need to click on reply anymore. Just scroll down. Just click on the topic, then scroll down. Then you see leave a reply. Any other person that want to that will mean that all the response is going to this particular main post. But let's say you want to specify a particular reply under the content. Let's say somebody or some other persons have replied. I want to reply to their own response as well. And that's when you now click on reply under each of the response you want to reply to. So that is that. I believe I still have one content like that I want to help you add. I think that's the third content, which is this. Where is it? Unleashing your potential. A guide to building an amazing medical or health career. Let me help you to add it. By now I will not be telling you. Of course, you have already known how to add uh, content. So let's copy it. Let's copy it. So let's go to the forum of medical and health. We have a forum like that named medical and something, health and medical or something. Okay, medical and health matter. So they want to click. It's empty. There's nothing there. Can you see? We want to add the first content ever. So we want to click on add topic, add the title. Let's first of all paste it or something. This is the title, right? Title. Let's leave this space. Then come here. Yeah. You want to redefine. I want to delete this page. Then type one. Rearrange it, as you may wish. But I will not be doing that because I've already shown you how to do that. So I want to put your name here. Alalade. Okay. So I want to add a video, right? I want to add a video. Yes, I want to add a video. After this, I can say learn more learn more learn more from the video below, right? The video below. So now let's come to add source code. Add source code. So let's go down. Can you see? Learn more from the video below. This is all. This one indicates space. The space are added. Those spaces are added. That is where that space are added. Can now, don't worry, just put it anywhere around under the space. You can put just you can just come under be exactly after the learn more from the video below. Don't worry, everything will get normal when we get back there. So can add career type. Look at this video. I want to read this video now. So I'm copy. I'm embedding it. So I'll click on embed. Then I'll click on this. I'll copy this code. Copy this code. Then come back to this and paste it here. Right. Then I'll click on OK. Now look at the video we now feature. Look at the video. Can you see those space, those PPP that you saw the other time is those space. You can delete it. This is what I was saying, that everything we get back to normal. So can you see? So if you also have a YouTube video, you can contact me another time, help you create a YouTube video. We come with a schedule. So I can help you create a well optimized YouTube channel that YouTube can be using to post your videos. Any videos you have, just put it there. You just be featuring it there instead of you having to upload those videos directly here. So you make use of your YouTube channel to do that. So now let's see. Okay, let's say we okay, let's put this here. Let's say we want to also add a PDF. Okay, the video below. Also learn more. And you can say also learn more from the attached PDF, or you can just go and find one PDF online and say let's copy the topic. Let me show you how to download free PDF. Copy this topic, the topic you want to see. You can say, and just come here and say download a guide to. So you now come to the back of it and say .pdf. Can you see some? Look at this PDF now. If you click on this PDF directly, it will start downloading. Look at it. Can you see? Start download. Can you see? So what you will now do is you just copy the link. You just right click and copy. You say copy link address, right? So you now come back to your post and say, you can say learn more from this PDF, right? Or from this document or material. You can just align this, right? Then go scroll up, then click on this. Here's the link, right? Then paste the link you copied here, right? Look at this. Now, I think we are done. Then we are gonna add topic. If you want to add reply, go to that post again, then scroll down, you'll see leave a reply. Under leave reply, start adding your reply. So look at it. When we click on this now, can you see it automatically take them to where to download? Can you see? So that is another way to add this document is to upload it directly to your to look at what I'm saying. Let's go back to edit. Look at it. Upload it. If you upload it, this will be eating it will be consuming your disk, your hosting. Okay, you want to save, you want to do as much as possible to ensure that you do not consume, you do not use some unnecessary content to consume the storage you have on your hosting. Okay, so because this website is for a long-term project, so you want to maintain, you want to save cost because it will cost you more to extend your bandwidth and your storage on the hosting platform where we hosted this website. So let's save back, and then I think with this, okay, I think with this we are good to go. Okay, what other thing do I want to add? I think I saw. So I hope you find this video very helpful, and let me know if there's any other thing you want me to help you on.